We're going to replace the front turn signal on the 2004 Prius. The Prius uses an amber 7440 bulb for the turn signal. Start by activating the hood release located under the steering column. Press the safety catch and lift the hood. Locate the left turn signal socket. Turn a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull straight out. Pull the old bulb out of the socket and press the new bulb into the socket. Insert the socket and turn a quarter turn clockwise to lock it into place. Locate the right turn indicator socket. Turn a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull straight out. Pull the old bulb out of the socket and push the new bulb into the socket. Insert the socket and turn a quarter turn clockwise to lock it into place. Here you can see the LED bulb on the right and the original incandescent bulb on the left. While it's not so obvious from the video, the LED bulb is significantly brighter than the incandescent bulb, and it's also richer in color. The LED bulb has a much crisper on-off indication, whereas the incandescent bulb ramps up and ramps down in brightness as it turns on and off. Here you can see a normal blink rate. Here you can see a fast blink rate, commonly referred to as hyper-flashing, that results from a burned out bulb or using an LED bulb without a load resistor. We're going to show you how to splice a load resistor into an existing cable harness in case you want to use LEDs that aren't error-free. You can splice the load resistor anywhere in the circuit, but closer to the bulb socket is usually easier. Open the splice with a screwdriver. Press the wire against the splice opening while removing the screwdriver. Make sure the wire is loose in the splice and not being pinched. Open the splice with a screwdriver. Press the wire against the splice opening while removing the screwdriver. Make sure the wire is loose in the splice and not being pinched. This is the load resistor that we are splicing in. Insert the wire into the splice. Press the metal tab with a pair of pliers until it is flush with the plastic housing. Close the plastic cover tab. Insert the wire into the splice. Press the metal tab with a pair of pliers until it is flush with the plastic housing. Close the plastic cover tab. This is the completed splice. You can see that the load resistor is in parallel with the bulb. You need a 6 ohm load resistor for a single LED bulb. If you don't want to penetrate the vehicle wiring, you can make or buy a harness like the one shown here. You have to be careful that the socket that goes into the taillight assembly is the right socket. Different vehicles use different sockets, so this can be a little tricky to match up. This is the LED bulb that we used. It has built-in load resistors. It's as bright as anything we've tested, so we don't see any compelling reasons to use a different LED bulb that requires load resistors. View the description for the specific parts that we used in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and check out our other interesting videos on a number of different topics.